Hey everybody, this is Jason Jacobs here with Untitled Chapter, and we're going to be going over the 22 basic motions for you, and feel free to follow along at home. Chariot, Kongyet, Chimbi, horseback stance, punch and attack, hup, 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 upper block, hup, 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 lower block, hup, hup, baru. Baru means return to ready motion. Now, front stance, lower block, left hand, left foot will look like this. Hup. Good. Make sure you're crossing your midline. Hup. Hup. Your back foot comes here and turn. Trot. Now, front punch to the middle. Hup. Hup. Front punch to the face. Hup. Hup. Front stance, upper block. Looks like this. With back stance, middle block, we're going to come here and block here. And your feet make a 90-degree angle. This foot's going this way, this foot's going this way. Most of the weight's on your back foot. Hup! Hup! That's back stance, middle block. Now, double knife hand, lower block. Looks like this. This is also in back stance. Hup, hup. Double knife hand middle block in back stance. This will look like this. Hup, hup. Good. And a lot of kids will keep their arms straight. You want to keep your arm bent. The turn looks like this. So we turn with our back foot. Here, front stance kick position. Front stretch kick. In front stretch kick, the foot comes up straight and back down. So it comes up, back down, you step out gracefully. Hup! 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 Now front snap kick. In front snap kick, you're going to chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Everyone, slow motion. Chamber, kick with the ball of your foot, re-chamber, down. Hup! Hup! Front snap kick to the face. Hup! Hup! Roundhouse kick to the middle. Hup! Hup! Roundhouse to the face. Hup! Hup! Hopefully Jacqueline didn't get that. Back foot turns. Drop! Step into side stance kick position. Looks like this. Alright, now we're gonna be going this way with the side stance stretch kick. That'll look like this. You'll step behind, your foot will come up nice and straight. You'll get a nice stretch on your inner thigh. The leg stays straight as you can. Hup! Hup! And now we'll do the step behind side kick. And step behind side kick going this way. You'll step behind, chamber, your knee is into your chest, kick out with your heel, re-chamber, and down. Hup! 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 And turn around. Trot! Alright, let's try it on this side. Hup! Matthew just demonstrated the step in front side kick. Hup! And now he did the step behind side kick. Hup! Hup! And turn around. Watch the turn around. The back foot becomes the front foot. Trot! Now back pivot kick. With back kick, you turn it this way. Your back foot picks up, kicks out. So your back foot turns towards your back and kicks. Hup! 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 Now back pivot kick to the face. Hup! Hup! And now side attack. Let's do side attack. Looks like this. Hup! Hup! Turn around. Trap! Let's come to Baru. And those are our 22 basic motions. Thanks for watching.